All right, so we have this question from PCE 2003, question 29, where we are asked to evaluate bracket open 2, 1, 3, minus 1, bracket close, bracket open 1, 1, 0, 1, bracket close. We'll dive into this quickly by writing solution. We write solution. Next, we copy out our expression that we've been given. So bracket open 2, 1, 3, minus 1, bracket close, bracket open 1, 1, 0, 1, bracket close. Our expression is asking us to multiply by evaluate. The examiner actually means we should multiply. So in multiplying a matrix, what we do is that we multiply row against column. So in doing that, we quickly write equal to bracket open 2 times 1 plus 1 times 0. Next we have 2 times 1 plus 1 times 1. At the bottom, we have 3 times 1 plus bracket open minus 1 times 0. Next, we have a 3 times 1 plus bracket open minus 1 times 1, bracket close. And this is equal to bracket open 2 times 1 gives us 2 plus 1 times 0 gives us 0, 2 times 1 gives us 2 plus 1 times 1 we have 1, 3 times 1 gives us 3 plus minus 1 times 0, this gives us 0. Now we have a 3 times 1 gives us 3. Now we'll have plus bracket open minus 1, bracket close, times 1. This will give us minus 1, bracket close. All these be equal to 2 plus 0 gives us 2, 2 plus 1 gives us 3, 3 plus 0 we have 3, 3 minus 1 we have 2, bracket close. So our answer becomes a bracket open 2, 3, 3, 2, bracket close. Thank you.